Hi everyone and welcome back, and in this video we're going to go over how to add in a Vimeo video into your application. Okay, so let's come here and let's go into add here, click on Vimeo, and here we're going to get to our gallery, our search, and our type. Alright, so this is going to act just as YouTube did, except we have some different types to search from. So we can choose either the user here, the group, the channel, or the album. So for an example, if I come here to Chloe's Vimeo page, all right, what I'm going to do is come up here and get this right here, just this part after the Vimeo sign. All right, and that's going to be her user handle, or the parameter that we're going to use. All right, so let's come back here into our editor. Let's go into type, and then let's go to user. I'm going to name this gallery simply Chloe, and the parameter is going to be her username here. Let's go ahead and click on OK. You're going to get the green light up top. Go to more, go to Chloe, and then you're going to see all of her videos here playing inside of our application. All right, now you can also come back here. Let's pause her for a second, and you can do it by group, by channel, and by album as well. Each and every time, what you're going to do is you're not going to copy the entire URL. You're only going to copy what comes after. When it says channel, you're going to copy the name after the channel. All right, that's how you're going to get it to integrate for you. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you next tutorial.